guys, I'm inside my home and I've got some basic things that I want to prepare for my GOT themed mantle. If you have a mantle at home, this is a great way to kind of get in the spirit of all things Game of Thrones. If you're watching this a little bit earlier in the day, you have plenty of time to kind of make these simple centerpieces happen. I have a full supply list of items that you can purchase very easy from your local craft store or Dollar Tree that you can make this amazing centerpiece. Let's get to work. Hey guys, so supplies that you need obviously was the flowers. You'll also need these amazing simple crafted dragon eggs. These are made literally out of push pins and styrofoam eggs. So you get the styrofoam eggs from like Michael's. I used silver thumbtacks, and then for the extra color of vibrancy, I used nail polish to kind of give it that metallic look and feel. I intentionally wanted to use something that was kind of dull, but a matte look as well. So the cheap $1 metallic nail polish from the Dollar Tree is your friend, and you have these amazing pieces. This took about maybe 30 minutes per egg to make. So I worked in a pretty fast fashion. So if you're not as fast and you really take your time, maybe closer to 45 minutes. Khaleesi centerpiece for the win. Hey guys, I wanted to show you the florals that we're using. These are faux florals from Michael's. These are on average, usually on a sale, anywhere between maybe sometimes 30 to 40% off depending on what you get. I just kind of got ones that kind of flow with this fire and ice theme, something that's light and fluffy, but also something that's dark and really powerful and adds a little dimension as well. So again, you can find these at your local craft store. You can go to the Dollar Tree actually and find some of these. My green and foliage came from Michael's and the Dollar Tree, so I kind of combined these two. So again, just kind of creating these different layers, elements. If you know a little bit about floral design, you know that you need something that kind of creates a line or something that kind of creates height in some areas. And so I've completely done that by adding my focal flowers here. And then I have pieces that create the line height, which would be here. And then we actually just have plain foliage, which is also here as well. So these are great ways, again, if you're comfortable with floral design, this is perfect. So the other pieces to the centerpiece that will be on the mantle themselves are these really cute and simple, they're bronzed. I bronzed them or gold gilded them myself in gold spray paint, which you can get pretty cheaply at your local craft store and or like Walmart or Target or things along those lines. But these are actually pieces from the Dollar Tree. They had these like stiff figurine dolls for $1, and I just grabbed a couple of them that best represent some of the houses. So I really tried hard to find a dragon. A dragon wasn't available, so I actually had a deer, a stag if you will, for House Baratheon, and then of course the wolf for Stark. So these are two pretty cool like little centerpieces that it may not mean much now, but when you start putting these little details out on the mantle, it really kind of brings everything kind of together. So these are just small details that you can or cannot add to your centerpiece, but super cute and fun, right? The real Game of Thrones. Okay, so really quickly, I have these canvas wrapped pieces that I want to cover and be able to mark with the house sigils of choice. Let's do that now. Now that I've folded my piece in half to cover my panel, I'm gonna cut it down the middle and get started to work. So we have our two houses made out of our simple die cutting machine. We have the white wolf, of course, for House Stark, and we have the beautiful three-headed dragon of House Targaryen. So pretty much really easily, I'm just going to put these on top of my houses, and I'm going to put them relatively high because I want them to be seen a little bit. And so we put the house kind of to the side. Now in my tutorial that I'll share a little bit later, we'll have pieces like this for you to make at home. So we have our Targaryen here. We're just using our craft tape. And we're going to be moving this inside the mantle area in just a minute. And you can really start seeing how this piece really comes together. Okay, take a little bit of our tape, stick it where we want it to go, mostly in the middle toward the top, I think is best. And we want to make sure that it's facing how we want it to face. And there we go, is our pop art for one panel. Let's go ahead and create the pop art for the second. All right, pop art number 2. We bring in our mantle. I kind of, again, want to kind of put it in the same area generally. So I'm actually mimicking this a little bit. And this time I'm just putting my tape where the face is going. Okay. And I love the fact too that this kind of gives it dimension, that I am actually creating spaces where light and depth and shadow can kind of come in on your mantle. It kind of looks eerie, moody when you're putting it together. But it really is the combination of the crease paper that looks excellent with the sigil. It's really going to make our mantle pop. So let's start putting it together. Ta-da, finished product.